Light work today. Think it's time to fertilize. Why not? Grass looks real good, real green. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Looks like all the work we did last year really paid off. A lot of work. As for the mulch bed, we'll see. Too early to tell, but I'm confident that I'll get the results I'm looking for. Oh yeah, this looks good. It all looks good. So far, so good. Salvia's perking up. This is what you want to see. Lilacs, jury's still out. It's going to take a while. But like I said, I'm sure everything will be just fine. There's that downspout. Hope it doesn't give my lilies any trouble. Looks good, real good. It's going to pay off. Just give it time. Before I put down the fertilizer, I think I should do a little maintenance, cutting edge and stuff like that. Let's take a look. Not bad. Actually, beautiful. Amazing. Came up well. We'll see if it can withstand the summer heat though. That's the big test. But I'm telling you, this is nice. Well, time to pull out the Menards Premium Crabgrass Preventer. Feeds it. Kills weeds, stuff like that. Oh yeah. I'll start over there, work my way over here as usual. Put a little bit in the spreader, hand spreader. And this is the first application. I think the most important thing to remember is not to put too much of this stuff down. You can kill your grass, burn it, all type of stuff. Feed it, but don't kill it. Almost finished. Now it's time to do this side. Here's the best part. Take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too.